Every teacher knows this feeling. The lesson is over, but now comes the grading. Instead of asking AI to simply grade the paper, I give it the rubric first. Then I upload one student assignment. Let me show you exactly how this works.
But here's what's different. You can modify the feedback, adjust the tone, add your own proof. Done. So what do you gain? 2 hours of grading becomes 15 minutes. And the feedback is better. Better feedback, more time, all with teacher approval. Here's a real example. This student got it wrong. The AI eyes the error, highlights strengths, shows the solution, all in seconds. But here's the real power. One teacher, 30 students, all graded, in less time than it took to grade 5 manually. That's the AI grading hack.
AI isn't replacing great teachers. It's giving us more time to teach, inspire, and provide every student the feedback they deserve.